There's a lattice. You can't really get under there because there's a lattice
We've
there.
got a lattice.
Well, you know, Hamilton tries to dig his way under there. So.
Well, that's a novel approach.
It didn't work. Needless to say. We stopped.
Hey guys, you can't really get under there. They're going like, well.
There is a door that we, on that end, you know, if we had to go under the deck, we could, but we intentionally.
Yeah.
You guys know where Luna is one?
Yes.
So she goes there sometimes. Their deck is open. So there's like a small entrance. She's always in there. Oh, under the deck.
They play chasers.
It's pretty dirty under there.
Yeah, like some chairs.
They were both trying to get under the deck.